before them have plotted, but Allah struck at the very foundation of their structures. So the roof collapsed on top of them, and the torment came upon them from where they did not expect. 27. Then on the day of judgment, he will humiliate them and say, where are my so-called associate gods, for whose sake you used to oppose the believers? Those gifted with knowledge will say, surely disgrace and misery today are upon the disbelievers. 28. Those whose souls the angel sees while they wrong themselves will then offer full submission and say falsely, we did not do any evil. The angels will say, no, surely Allah fully knows what you used to do. 29. So enter the gates of hell to stay there forever. Indeed, what an evil home for the arrogant. And when it is said to those mindful of Allah, what has your Lord revealed? They say, all the best. For those who do good in this world, there is goodness. But far better is the eternal home of the hereafter. How excellent indeed is the home of the righteous. 31. The gardens of eternity which they will enter, under which rivers flow. In it they will have whatever they desire. This is how Allah rewards the righteous. 32. Those whose souls the angels take while they are virtuous, saying to them, peace be upon you, enter paradise for what you used to do. 33. Are they only awaiting the corner of the angels? Are they only awaiting the coming of the angels or the command of your Lord, O Prophet? So were those before them, and Allah never wronged them, but it was they who wronged themselves. 34. The evil consequences of their deeds overtook them, and they were overwhelmed by what they used to ridicule. 35. The polytheists argue, had Allah willed, neither we nor our forefathers would have worshipped anything other than Him, nor prohibited anything without His command. So did those before them. Is not the messenger's duty only to deliver the message clearly? 36. We surely sent a messenger to every community, saying, worship Allah and shun false gods. But some of them were guided by Allah, while others were destined to stray. So travel throughout the land and see the fate of the deniers. 37. Even though you, O Prophet, are keen on their guidance, Allah certainly does not guide those He leaves to stray, and they will have no helpers. 38. They swear by Allah, their most solemn oaths, that Allah will never raise the dead to life. Yes, He will. It is a true promise binding on Him, but most people do not know. 39. He will do that to make clear to them what they disagreed on, and for the disbelievers to know that they were liars. 40. If we ever will something to exist, all we say be, and it is. 41. As for those who emigrated in the cause of Allah after being persecuted, we will surely bless them with a good home in this world, but the reward of the hereafter is far better, if only they knew. 42. It is they who have patiently endured in their Lord. They put their trust. 43. We did not send messengers before you, O Prophet, except mere men inspired by us. If you polytheists do not know this already, then ask those who have knowledge of the scriptures. 44. We sent them with clear proofs and divine books, and we have sent down to you, O Prophet, the reminder, so that you may explain to people what has been revealed for them, and perhaps they will reflect. 45. Do those who devise evil plots feel secure that Allah will not cause the earth to swallow them, or that the torment will not come upon them in ways they cannot comprehend? 46. Or that He will seize them while they go about their day, for then they will have no escape. 47. Or that He will not destroy them gradually, but your Lord is truly ever gracious, most merciful. 48. Have they not considered how the shadows of everything Allah has created incline to the right and the left as the sun moves, totally submitting to Allah in all humility? 49. And Allah alone bows down in submission. Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth of living creatures, as do the angels, who are not too proud to do so. 50. They fear their Lord above them and do whatever they are commanded.